Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treats and thanks a lot for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we have this very simple but delicious coconut rice recipe. It's simple to put together. All you need to do is chop your vegetables and then put everything into your rice cooker and you are good to go. So for our ingredients, we have here some rice which we'll be washing, and washing it takes off the surface starch and prevents it from sticking together. So this is about 500 grams of basmati rice. Of course, we have our coconut. This is about 400 ml of creamy coconut milk. And then I have here 120 grams of frozen peas. I have about 250 grams of bacon, 2 tablespoons of oil, some curry powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of white pepper powder. I have here some salt to taste and just a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme. I have here 1 pepperoni, 2 carrots, and 1 onion. So that is all for our ingredients. Let's start with this recipe. We'll begin by chopping up our vegetables into smaller sizes. Try to separate the onions to enable them cook faster. Using the chili is totally optional. If you do not want your food too spicy, kindly skip using this. However, it enhances the taste greatly. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet for amazing food related content, and kindly turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. We'll turn on our rice cooker and pour in our oil. And to this we'll add our bacon. Cover it up and allow it to cook for just a couple of minutes. Next, we'll be adding our vegetables. We'll add our onion, our rice, which we've washed a couple of times. We'll add our remaining vegetables, our coconut milk, about 400 ml of water, our peas, and then our spices. And it takes less than 5 minutes to prep this. Mix everything well together and then cover it up and allow to cook. In case your rice cooker turns off before it's well cooked, just give everything a good mix, cover it up, and push down the knob again. And there we have it. Our coconut curry rice is all done. Very quick to prepare. Dinner in less than 20 minutes. Nutritious as well. Please subscribe if you've not done yet. Like, comment, and share this video. Until I come your way again in the next one, it's bye!